My daily routine as a hotel management student. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I freshen up, take a shower, and get ready for the day. By 7:30 a.m., I eat my breakfast, which is usually light and healthy. By 8 a.m., I leave for my college. My classes start at 9 a.m., where I learn about various subjects like front office operations, food production, housekeeping, and food and beverage service. We also attend practical sessions where we get hands on training in kitchen work, table service, and customer handling. At 1 p.m., we have a lunch break. After lunch, we continue with our lectures or practicals until 4 p.m. Sometimes we have seminars, guest lectures, or group projects in the evening. After college, I return to my hostel around 5 p.m. I take some rest and then revise my notes or complete assignments. I also watch videos or read about new trends in the hospitality industry. At 8 p.m., I have my dinner. After that, I relax for a while or talk with friends or family. I usually go to bed by 10:30 p.m. so I can be fresh for the next day.